One of our strategies is holding it. In terms of the other asset classes, the dollar, we've seen the US dollar get hit very hard. People are boycotting the United States. They're boycotting the dollar. Everybody's like dumping the dollar. It's been hit very hard. A lot of it obviously coming from the whole tariff stuff, but the falling dollar has helped lift commodities. We've seen gold really skyrocket. It's been on fire. And typically when we get into a very nervous environment, obviously wars going on, we've got economic data is starting to get mixed. I think it's slowly coming to an end. And I think we're going to enter into a recession and a bear market at some point this year.
Interesting.
When people get nervous with all this stuff, they tend to move into gold. And so gold naturally was doing well, but then the dollar got hit. And as the dollar falls, gold rockets in US dollar value. So gold is showing us a defensive move. And when gold moves the way it has been moving over the past year and a half, it's a huge warning sign that we are getting close to a global reset, not just in the States, but it's going to be a global reset. And we saw this back in 2007, 2008, almost identical chart patterns, price actions. I'm bullish on gold. I do think eventually it'll sell off when we go into a recession. Gold typically gets sold with it, but at this point, it's in a strong uptrend. You want to hold gold, and the dollar is trying to find support. I do think eventually the dollar will find support and have a big bounce. I think a lot of people have been shorting the heck out of the dollar, meaning they want it to go down. They're profiting from it. It's one of the most hated assets, I think. Anytime I give a bullish opinion on the dollar, man, I just get hammered with all kinds of comments of how wrong I am and how the dollar is going to zero.